Alright guys, getting some more work done on the XT350 here. Got the Fender here out of the package. It's gonna look so much better. So one thing that I had to do for the XT350, I'll show you better when I take this grid off, but I had to cut all the way from here all the way to here so that the wiring harness could run through the Fender. The stock one has a deep pocket right there that kind of runs through right here. So I had to make something similar on this. I didn't want to, it would be a pain in the butt to redo all the wiring, so to move it. So this was a better option, and I think I'll be able to make this work. So that's kind of what it looks like from the inside. I did some work on it just to save time on the video, but so in this pack with this Supermoto front fender from, I don't know, everybody says it different, Acerbis. I've heard Acerbis, Acerbis, whatever, however you say it. This is a Supermoto front fender, universal, so you have to drill your own holes. They give you a grid and tell you the different brands, what the bolt spacing is, and you can mark it accordingly. Let's see if you can see that. Anyways, so these are all the different brands. There's Honda, Kawasaki, KTM, Suzuki, whatever Vor is, CS, Husqvarna, Yamaha. Both of the Yamaha patterns match up with the XT350. So I just kind of matched my fender up to it and flipped it over on top of it and lined up the holes and then drew my marks. And where they lined up was 28 and 66. So that's the same as a normal Yamaha bolt pattern. So for the YZ125, YZ250, the YZF250 and YZF426 looks like has all the same bolt pattern there. So we're gonna drill our holes here and then we'll see what it looks like on the bike. As you can see, we got our 4 holes. They are, the top 2 holes are a little bit off, so just a hair. So we'll maybe have to make a correction on that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it looks pretty bad on the camera, so we'll see how it lines up. I did make the holes a little bigger than they need to be, so we had room if it didn't line up exactly perfect. Looks like it'll work. All right, so this will give you a better look at kind of what I had to do here. It's kind of I just took a razor blade and cut this out, and then there was a little dip through the middle right here. I had to cut the end off of it on both sides. It did give you some room to go through, but I had to make this all the way to the lowest point and then run across to the back there. So you can see I just kind of cut it right at the line right here so you can't see. All this will be hidden when the fender's bolted up. So, all right, let's go see what it looks like on. Alright guys, ignore the mess in my garage, but I did get the Polisport headlight, the Halo headlight on there yesterday. I had to put the longest extensions on there. You can see here, and they fit on the XT350. They fit right in between your blinker, because I have an aftermarket blinker, I think. But fit between the blinker and the stock mount for the headlight. And then on the bottom, everything is clear. So these bands go fully tight on both top and bottom. This kind of gives you an idea. I have it halfway bolted on, but I was so excited to see it. So these will be changed out as well, and they will be black too. So everything up front should be nice and clean looking. Super excited.